Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change the front turn signal bulb on a 2016 Acura MDX model. I couldn't find any other videos online, so I decided to make one for myself and share it all with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Thanks. So contrary to what you might think, the turn signal bulbs on the Acura MDX are actually accessed through the wheel well. So what I've done is I'm replacing the right bulb, so I've turned the tire to the left to give myself some more working space. And the first thing you have to do is remove this screw here using a Phillips screwdriver, and there's a clip here. To remove this clip, you're going to want to first pop out underneath here. Pop this out before you remove the clip. Okay, so the first clip, I removed it and it looks like this. So you just want to get a flat screwdriver and pop that little head open, and then it'll come right out. And then now I'm just going to take out this top screw. There's two here. I'm going to take off this top one. So the next step, which I've gone ahead and done, is I removed these two screws, and all you do next is simply fold back this fender cover and you'll have access to the light bulb. I peeled back the cover, and I'm not sure if you can see that well, but there's the light bulb. So you're just going to twist that to the left, pull it out, and replace your light bulb. So yeah, here's your light bulb. Twist it to the left, it came out. Now just pull the old one in, plug in the new one, and put everything back together. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and once again, leave a big like and share this with anybody who has a Acura MDX.